Okay, then come and talk to me.
No, I'm not going to come talk to you. I'm not going to come talk to you.
Police officer, man.
I know. You can let me go.
If you've earned certainty of yourself, you need to talk to me.
I don't need to talk to you.
An investigation.
I'm not instructing
You
anything.
are under arrest for obstruction.
I'm not instructing.
Preston Sal and his wife, Shernix, had just left a pub in downtown Loveland, Colorado, when they noticed a motorcyclist lying injured in the parking lot. Observing the injured rider, the couple joined bystanders in assisting him. The motorcyclist had a visibly injured ankle, and soon emergency services arrived, blocking the parking lot exit. Officer Paul Ash from the Loveland Police Department also arrived and approached the scene. Colorado Revised Statutes Section 163103 states that an officer may detain an individual only if they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Despite this, Officer Ash began questioning Mr. Sal without any evidence of wrongdoing, targeting him for simply being present.
Where is the bike at?
The bike's parked down on the side. Yeah, the blue one there. We pulled it off.
Okay, you might come and talk to me?
I don't know what happened.
Well, you pulled the bike off
I'm not talking to nobody.
Really?
These guys saw what happened. I didn't.
Okay, if you're not talking to anybody, you can leave.
Well, you can leave. You're dismissed.
We can't leave.
We can't leave. I'm not leaving.
Okay, then come and talk to me.
No, I'm not going to come talk to you. I'm not going to come talk to you.
Police officer, man.
I know.
Did you pull the bike? Did you pull the bike off him?
I'm not going to come talk to him.
Okay, that's.
Did you pull the bike off him?
I did not.
Okay.
So
you just told me you
it
did.
has nothing to do with me.
Okay, you're free to leave.
Yeah, you're free to leave.
What's his name?
Preston. That's all I know.
Preston what?
I don't know.
You got an ID on your boss?
No.
I'm gonna need an ID
no
now.
ID.
Okay.
No. Look, sir. I think that's
177. I got an uncooperative witness. Come on over here.
constitutional right.
I need to talk to you.
Constitutional right. No.
I need to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
You have to talk
I don't want
to
to
me.
talk. No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay, you've
No, I don't.
inserted yourself.
I came down here to help them.
So-
No, I don't have to talk to
this is
anybody.
gonna go one of two
I don't
ways.
have to talk to anybody.
This is gonna go
I
one
don't
of
have
two
to talk
ways.
to anybody.
Okay, either
I
you're
don't
gonna
have to
sit
talk to
here and
anybody.
talk to me,
No.
we'll just have a short
No.
conversation,
No.
or I'm gonna arrest you for obstruction.
No, you're not. I'm not obstructing
You
anything.
are.
You're right here.
Okay.
I'm not obstructing nothing.
Okay.
These guys are taking care of it.
Please just come talk to me.
No.
Okay, turn around.
I don't want to talk to you.
Turn around right now.
Officer Ash insisted on questioning Preston Sal, who made it clear he did not wish to answer. Under Colorado Law Section 16-3-103-1, citizens are not required to engage in an officer's inquiry unless the officer has specific and articulable facts suggesting a crime. But in this case, the man hasn't done anything wrong. Sal's refusal escalated the situation unnecessarily. Officer Ash, along with Officer Benjamin Del Lima and Detective Clint Schnorr, used excessive force, twisting Sal's arms and restraining him on the ground. This unnecessary aggression led to severe injuries, including a dislocated shoulder, torn rotator cuff, and broken collarbone.
Turn around.
Videotape this, Sherry.
I'm already doing it. It's right here. Turn
No,
around.
no, you're wrong.
Turn around.
My constitutional rights.
Turn around.
I don't have to talk to you. I don't have to. I don't have to ID myself.
I know
Turn
you're
around.
He's being a
Turn around.
fucking
No, he's
lover
not.
cop.
No, he's
Yeah, he
not.
is.
No, he's
not.
I came down here to help.
Just back it up.
I don't know what
Back it up.
happened,
Back
and I'm
up.
telling him that. I'm telling him that. I
Put
don't
your
know what
hand.
happened.
Hey.
Put your hand
Why
behind your
does he
back.
want to talk to me?
I'm not telling you again.
You're being a little,
Preston,
bit of a dick, man.
Put your hand behind your back now.
No, you're being wrong.
Put
If you
your
don't
hand.
You're being wrong.
He's gonna-
Videotape this, Sherry.
He's gonna get you if you don't put your hand
Videotape
on-
this
Hey,
shit. What are you fucking with me for? What are you fucking my constitutional rights? This is fucked up.
Tuck that knee in.
This is fucked up.
Bring this leg in so you can sit down.
This is fucked up.
Just
Ow! Ow!
we tried to.
Your shoulder's fucked up. You're fucking with me.
We're coming to my car over here.
There's no reason for this. There's no reason for this. Get my phone, Sherry. This is fucked up. Videotape this shit.
All you had to do was talk to me.
I didn't want to talk to you. I didn't have to talk to you.
Doesn't matter.
I didn't have to talk to you. I don't know what happened. He came over. We saw him down. I came to help him get his fucking bike up.
Okay, and that's what I need to talk to you.
That's right.
So if you've
So
inserted
handcuff
yourself,
me and fucking let me go.
if you've earned certainty of yourself, you need to talk to me.
I don't
You're
need to talk to
obstructing
you.
an investigation.
I'm not instructing
You are
anything.
under arrest for obstruction.
I'm
and
not
now for
instructing you.
resisting.
I want to talk to your fucking supervisor. I want to talk to
I'll
your
have a meeting with
supervisor.
the police department.
Right? No, I want to
can
talk to him right fucking now.
You can talk to him before you go to jail.
I'm not going to jail
Yeah,
for
you are.
shit. I didn't do anything. I helped the guy get his bike up,
That's why you
and
need to talk to
I'm
me.
obstructing? Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Go ahead and have a seat.
No. Let me go, I'll get in. You don't have to force
I'm
me
gonna double lock your cuffs.
You don't have to force me in. I'll get in the fucking
Go
car.
ahead.
I'll get in your fucking thing. Loosen these cuffs up, please. They're tight. Can we please loosen these cuffs up?
Just checking them, sir.
They're not a finger fucking width away.
Hey, relax, dude. That's what
I'm
happens.
trying to relax.
That's what happens when you go
gotta throw my
uncooperative.
ass down
That's what
because I
happens
didn't
when
want
you
to
go
talk to you.
uncooperative.
Sir, he's checking the cuffs right now.
Well, they're pretty fucking tight.
We get over there. Not yet.
So the bike has been moved over there.
Yes, sir.
Over here.
I had
that's that
nothing to
blue
do
one.
with that. I came out to help my friend.
Okay, and that's why you needed to sit there and talk to me.
Yeah, well, I didn't need to sit there.
Yeah,
and talk
you
because
did.
I didn't see what happened. I didn't witness what happened.
Well, you obviously did because
I
you
didn't.
came out and helped him.
Yeah, but I didn't
So
witness.
that's
I don't know
part
what
of
the hell happened. I came down on my bike. My buddy's bike's down.
That's part of the investigation. We need to know all about that.
You're fucking wrong.
Okay, have a seat.
Please loosen these.
They are super loose.
No, they're not.
Have a seat in the car.
No, my left wrist is
Officer
tight.
Ash, do you want me to check them? Can I check them, sir?
Yes, sir.
Please. They're fucking tight as hell.
There's a lot of room in there, sir.
They're tight
Can you have
as
a seat in
hell.
there for us,
That's
please?
two
Tight
officers.
as hell.
It's two officers who have checked them, and I loosened them.
And I want to talk to your fucking supervisor right now. Not when I get to the
He's
cop
here.
shop.
He's
He'll be
here.
at the jail. Yeah. Sir,
What?
this is a paramedic with Thompson Valley.
Yeah, my shoulder's fucked
Okay,
up.
he's gonna check you.
Yeah,
Just let
thank
know.
you.
Okay.
There's no reason for you to throw me fucking down like that.
Well, I gave you plenty of chances.
I didn't want to
put
talk to you.
yourself under
That's not
arrest.
resisting. That's not
Okay.
fucking anything.
We'll explain all that at the police department. Okay?
yeah, right. I know my rights. I didn't need to talk to you.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't need
did.
to ID
You
myself.
inserted
I had
yourself.
nothing to do with what happened here.
You told me you
I
moved the
came
bike.
down here. I came down here to see what was going on, and you're asking me questions. I don't know what the fuck happened, but you
Okay.
fucked up my shoulder, and you're gonna have a fucking lawsuit
Okay.
on your hands.
Like I said, this is my partner Shane. He's gonna check you.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't have any on the bike.
Despite being charged with obstruction and resisting arrest, Sal's charges were dropped after prosecutors reviewed the body cam footage. Under Colorado Revised Statutes Section 163102, an arrest must be lawful and supported by probable cause, which was evidently lacking. The Loveland Police Department's internal investigation later revealed that Officer Ash had violated multiple policies, including those concerning the use of force, limits of authority, and search and seizure protocols.
Are you wife? I didn't get your name, I'm sorry.
Girlfriend, wife,
One of the above?
yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna go to the hospital and get checked, and then I'm gonna take him to the police department. He's gonna be booked in for obstructing and resisting, and then he'll be transported to Larimer County Jail. Do you have any questions about that?
I've been through the routine
I just
before,
needed,
sorry.
2 seconds, you would have talked, and we would have been done.
Well, the thing is he has seen so many videos on Facebook about not having to give your name, you know, and so that's why he did that.
Okay. And so my whole thought on that is if he told me right away that he helped move the bike off the guy,
No, he didn't.
that's what he told me, okay?
I didn't hear that.
Okay. And then at that point in time, he's inserted himself in the accident. I'm just trying to figure out what happened to the guy on the bike.
No, I
So I
understand.
do need to talk to him. So at that point in time, he does need to talk to me. Okay.
But he didn't move the bike.
Well, he told me he did.
He didn't.
Okay.
The other guys did.
Okay. Well, he told me he helped move the bike. That's what I'm just trying to figure out was what happened to the accident.
Yeah.
So.
We came up. All these guys were already over there. They got the bike up. They moved it.
Okay.
And
Why
he
would
was
he
like-
tell me he helped move the bike then?
I don't know.
Okay. So that was my whole thing. I just need to know what they did to move that bike, so then I can move on to the next part of the investigation,
No,
which
I
is
understand.
dealing with
I
him.
mean-
And if he would have told me that, you guys would be home already, probably. Okay.
Like I said, it's all Facebook, the videos.
I understand. You understand where I'm coming from.
I do.
Okay. I'm sure he'll give you a call as soon as he can. Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, other than that, I think you're free to leave if you want, or you can stay for whoever else is here.
I'll wait.
Okay. Just want to let you know, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Hey. I'm gonna tell that bike.
And what's going on with the actual accident?
So
I'm
apparently,
on a meeting to talk to the officer.
what's happened to the bike?
The bike's gonna be towed.
We're gonna tow it.
Preston's gonna go to the hospital and get checked because he got a couple injuries during the scuffle, and then he'll be transported to Limerick County Jail.
Which side of the bike is laid down? Do you remember?
Right side.
The right side? Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
They're both misdemeanors. There's no felony charges or anything like that.
Does the bike have to be towed? We can take care of it.
Yeah. It does.
Yeah.
It's just part of our policy. So, but he'll be able to get it out right away.
There won't be a hold on it. That's security.
Alright.
All right.
Alright.
Do you have any other question? I appreciate you not
No,
trying to
I
jump
know
in there.
he's an ass, so.
Well, I mean, if he would have just talked to me for 2 seconds, it would have been over, and
I know.
you guys probably would have been gone by now.
It's
Yeah, that's all it was.
alcohol does stupid things.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Well,
All right.
thank you.
You have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, we do appreciate you guys' help. Sorry it went to where it went to.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Just let me know what I gotta do. You got my
Will do.
number, so.
All right, thank you very much.
All right.
Preston Sal filed a lawsuit against the city of Loveland and the officers involved, seeking justice for the violation of his rights and the injuries he sustained. Colorado Revised Statutes Section 138102 allows for civil action against wrongful acts, including excessive force and unlawful arrest. In January 2021, the city of Loveland agreed to settle for $290,000. This settlement highlighted the department's acknowledgement of its officers' misconduct and its failure to uphold citizens' constitutional rights. Officer Paul Ash's history of misconduct was not isolated to this case. He had previously been involved in multiple incidents of excessive force and citizen complaints. Ultimately, Ash was terminated in October 2022 for violating department policies related to accessing records. His dismissal raised additional legal disputes, as Ash argued his firing was procedurally improper. His case underscores the need for systemic reform to prevent officers with repeated violations from remaining in law enforcement roles. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.